Number 9. Moto G Power Unlocked Smartphone. Number 9 on our list is the Moto G Power Unlocked Smartphone. If you're looking for a cheap, splash-proof smartphone to take with you on vacation, Moto G Power is a great choice. It isn't as powerful or feature-filled as flagship devices, but it has a cool design with nearly borderless bezels and killer battery life. In fact, its battery lasted longer than every smartphone when it was tested, over 2 days. The phone features a 6.4-inch Full HD display, a decent Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor, and Lenovo says the phone is water repellent, meaning that there's no IP rating. It even comes with a fast charger, so you can expect hours of additional use after just 15 minutes of charging. We appreciate its headphone jack, micro SD card slot, and integrated fingerprint sensor. For shoppers on a budget who prefer Android to iOS, the Moto G Power is the smartphone to shop for. Number 8. iPhone SE. Number 8 on our list is the iPhone SE. If you're on a limited budget and $400 isn't too out of reach, you should buy the iPhone SE. The smartphone sports a design and shape that's almost identical to the iPhone 8, but it is equipped with faster, more reliable internals. An editor from The Verge wrote that no other phone that can claim to be this good, nor last that long. That's because the iPhone SE is powered by the same A13 Bionic chip that's found in the newest iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro smartphones. Its camera captures crisp images and even 4K video at 60 frames per second. Other features include dual speakers, wireless charging, and a fingerprint sensor. It's worth mentioning that this device is only rated IP67 water resistant, meaning that it can withstand a maximum depth of 1 meter, 3 feet, for 30 minutes. Samsung Galaxy S10. Number 7 on our list is the Samsung Galaxy S10. All of Samsung Galaxy S10 flagships from 2019 sport IP68 water resistance, which is exactly what you get from the newer Galaxy S20 range. That means they'll stay protected under as much as 5 feet, 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. And Samsung managed this even though the 6.1-inch Galaxy S10, 6.4-inch Galaxy S10 Plus, and 5.8-inch Galaxy S10e all have headphone jacks, which would typically impede water resistance. That makes the S10 line an excellent choice for users who are still lamenting the omission of a 3.5mm ports from most high-end handsets, not to mention Samsung's own most recent flagships, but don't want to skimp on durability or performance. Buyers get a powerful Snapdragon 855 chipset with every model, at least 128GB of storage and 6GB of RAM, and cutting-edge features like an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and triple-lens rear cameras on the back. Number 6. Google Pixel 4 XL. Number 6 on our list is the Google Pixel 4 XL. The Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL don't improve upon the IP68 water resistance of their predecessors in a significant way, but they're still among the best waterproof phones because they can withstand a dunk in as much as 5 feet, 1.5 meters of water. Both the 5.7-inch Pixel 4 and the 6.3-inch Pixel 4 XL tout Google's first 90Hz OLED screens and dual-lens rear camera systems. The extra shooter on the back of each model is a 16-megapixel telephoto, which coupled with Google's Super Res zoom technology can deliver up to 8 times digital power that is almost as lossless as optical zoom. Both Pixels also include 3-dimensional face unlock, similar to Apple's Face ID system, and support motion sense air gestures using Google's breakthrough Soli radar chip. Unfortunately, neither phone lasted particularly long in the battery test, especially the smaller Pixel 4, which has a downsized battery compared to the 2018's Pixel 3. Still, Google's range-topping handsets have so much going for them, they're certainly worth a look for Android users. Just be mindful that the Pixel 5 has been revealed and begins shipping soon, and it too is IP68 water resistant. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Number 5 on our list is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is certainly not a device you're going to want to have to replace for any reason. Thankfully, just like all of Samsung's other premium Galaxy devices, Galaxy Note 20, the Note 20 Ultra is rated IP68 resistant, built to handle submersion and up to 5 feet, 1.5 meters of water for a maximum of 30 minutes. What makes that especially impressive is that the Note 20 Ultra contains a massive hole in it just to keep the S Pen stashed away, and ordinarily you would expect that to present a weak point against water damage. The fact that Samsung went to the extra trouble to make the Note 20 as sturdy as the Galaxy S20 range without sacrificing the stylus deserves praise. The phablet also incorporates Corning's new Gorilla Glass Victus material, which is better protected against scratches in addition to shattering. The regular Note 20 makes do with Gorilla Glass 6 on the front and strengthened polycarbonate for the back. Number 4. OnePlus 8 Pro. Number 4 on our list is the OnePlus 8 Pro. The OnePlus 8 Pro marks a few milestones for the Chinese phone maker. It's the first handset from the company to tout IP-rated water resistance and wireless charging. And while previous OnePlus devices advertised unofficial protection against the wet stuff, so as not to drive up their costs, the OnePlus 8 Pro goes a step further, affording buyers the same peace of mind they'd expect when purchasing a phone from Apple or Samsung. Like the Galaxy S20 range, the OnePlus 8 Pro is built to last for 30 minutes and a maximum of 5 feet, 1.5 meters of water. But aside from its durability, we also appreciate its gorgeous 120Hz OLED screen, super fast wireless charging, and gobs of performance, owing to the combination of a speedy Snapdragon 865 chipset and 12 gigabytes of super fast LPDDR5 RAM. In fact, we consider it one of the best Android phones on the market right now, and well worth a look for any prospective buyers who were entertaining one of Samsung's comparable but pricier Galaxy S20 models. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Number 3 on our list is the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. All of Samsung's latest flagship phones sport IP68 water resistance at the 5-foot level. That's shy of the 6.5 foot, 2 meters, offered by Apple's cheapest iPhone 11. Though it still should be good enough for most people. But of course the Galaxy S20 range has a number of other noteworthy features aside from its battery life, like its 5G connectivity, dazzling 120Hz screen, and multi-lens camera system that is more versatile than the triple lens system in the iPhone 11 Pro. Previously, the biggest knock against Samsung's S20 series was that it was very expensive, especially the S20 Plus and S20 Ultra. Though the brand new Galaxy S20 FE has changed that, offering a path to an affordable water-resistant premium Galaxy handset. Number 2. iPhone 11. Number 2 on our list is the iPhone 11. iPhone 11 is rated IP68, just like its predecessor, the iPhone XR. But Apple improved the iPhone 11's durability by making it able to withstand 6.5 feet, 2 meters of water for 30 minutes, compared to the iPhone XR's 5-foot, 1.5 meter rating. That's why the iPhone 11 is one of the best waterproof phones around. Of course, it's unlikely you'd subject your iPhone to more than 6 feet of water for a half an hour. But hey, anything can happen. The iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max are rated for up to 4 meters, 13 feet of water, but otherwise the iPhone 11 delivers the same overall performance for hundreds of dollars less, thanks to its speedy A13 Bionic processor. The iPhone 11 also offers many of the same excellent photography features that its more expensive siblings do, despite having one less camera lens. Number 1. iPhone 11 Pro Max. Finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, number 1 on our list is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. On the surface, you might not think there's anything particularly special about the water resistance of Apple's flagship iPhones. They're rated IP68 like so many other devices, and IP68 typically translates to just 5 feet of ingress protection. However, Apple quietly improved both the 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max's durability such that they can last in up to 13 feet, 4 meters of water, for a half an hour. And that's far better than any other device on this list, including Apple's other iPhones. In fact, it's double the depth of the iPhone 11 and iPhone XS. With the iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max, you'll get a stunning OLED display, triple lens camera with night mode, Apple's industry-leading A13 Bionic processor, and great battery life in addition to those durability improvements. For buyers looking to upgrade from older iPhones, these high-end flagships are worth the splurge. We're highlighting the 6.5-inch Max variant for its larger screen and battery, though anyone interested in the best small phones should know they'll get the same performance and build quality in the more compact 5.8-inch iPhone 11 Pro as well. And of course, it must be said that the iPhone 12 series is due to be unveiled October 13th, and it too is all but certain to be water resistant.